Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoFix Pros. If you've ever glanced at your dashboard and seen that pesky check engine light, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the P0017 error code, a common issue in 2025 vehicles that could be signaling trouble under the hood. This code is all about timing, specifically, a mismatch between your crankshaft and camshaft positions. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand, diagnose, and fix it without breaking a sweat. First, what exactly does P0017 mean? In simple terms, it's an OBD2 code that indicates a problem with the crankshaft position, camshaft position correlation for Bank 1 Sensor B. This happens when the engine's computer detects that the camshaft and crankshaft aren't syncing up as they should, which is crucial for your engine's performance. If left unchecked, it can lead to bigger issues down the road. Now, let's talk symptoms. You might notice your engine running rough, with misfires or hesitation during acceleration. Other signs include poor fuel efficiency, a noticeable decrease in power, or even stalling at low speeds. If your car is vibrating more than usual or the check engine light is glowing steadily, P0017 could be the culprit. What causes this error? There are a few common culprits. It could be a faulty camshaft position sensor, a worn-out timing chain or belt, low oil pressure affecting the variable valve timing system, or even electrical issues like damaged wiring. In 2025 models, we've seen this more in vehicles with advanced engine management systems, so regular maintenance is key. Luckily, there are straightforward solutions. Start by checking your oil level and quality. Dirty or low oil is a frequent offender. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and reset it if needed. If that doesn't work, inspect the sensors and timing components. In many cases, replacing the camshaft position sensor or adjusting the timing can resolve the issue. But remember, if you're not handy with tools, take it to a certified mechanic to avoid making things worse. In conclusion, understanding the P0017 error code empowers you to keep your ride running smoothly. Always address these issues promptly to prevent costly repairs. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Drive safe, everyone. Thanks for watching.